Hey everyone, it's Munchie Munchkin. Welcome to another episode of Munching Blindly. Today I'm trying cereals. The fall editions. We have Special K Apple Cinnamon Crunch. The Frosted Mini Wheats Pumpkin Spice. And the Pumpkin Spice Cheerios. And then for my drink today, I'm having the Avery's Totally Gross Toxic Slime. As usual, this is going to be done at the end. So, while I'm doing that, I'm having Can Wire. Same brand I usually drink, but they only have the cherry limeade that I like in it, so there's that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm using one bowl, so I'm going to have to go into a certain order because some of these are going to mess with the milk. So I'm gonna go with the pumpkin spice Cheerios first. Oh, and then the Avery's, it's blue raspberry and orange. Blue raspberry and orange. Camera person's questioning me. I just looked at the damn bottle to read it. Is there a blue raspberry and grape? He thought it was blue raspberry and grape, but no, it's blue raspberry and orange. Complementary colors. Okay. So, as usual, that was a horrible noise. As usual, I'm gonna try these dry, and then I'll try it with milk. Oh god, just cutting that open, you can really smell the pumpkin spice in it. Let's see. Try some plain. You can kind of taste it, but it's not too strong. I mainly taste Cheerios with a hint of something, but it's not necessarily pumpkin spice. So, got my bowl. So I'm gonna try to show you what the cereal looks like. I'm gonna try to get a good one. So, here's the Cheerio. Kind of has an orangey color to it, kind of. Not much of one. So let's go ahead and try this out. Trying to think what it reminds me of. Oh. I was trying to be like, kind of reminds me of the apple and cinnamon Cheerios, probably. That's probably what it reminds me of, because it's definitely not Apple Jacks. but it doesn't have as strong of a flavor. Trying to quickly finish this so I can get on to the next one. Come on. Okay. Well, that one didn't have that much of a pumpkin flavor at all. You can taste cinnamon. Maybe it's supposed to be nutmeg, but kind of tasted like a very bland apple and cinnamon Cheerios, to me at least. So that's good, as I was hoping. I definitely like their banana nut one, which I think they're supposed to be bringing back. So I'm looking forward to that at least. Usually Cheerios does a pretty good job on their different flavor ones, but that didn't come out as well as they probably hoped. Put that one out of the way. So so I'm gonna have next is the apple cinnamon crunch, the Special K brand. I usually don't eat Special K, but I figure why not try it. I think there's a second flavor that they have out for the season, but I didn't pick that one up, I guess. I thought it did. Okay. So, trying out the Special K now. So, with the Special K, It's actually pretty good. When I first bit into it, when it wasn't like so soggy, it you could really taste the apple taste, and the cinnamon's pretty strong. After it gets kind of soggy, with the milk, it's not as strong, but it's still there. Now little clusters are a little hard to find in the cereal. I think I might have had one. I'm gonna see if I can dig around for one. I would like to try one. Oh, let's see its flakes. Oh my god, how hard is it to find a cluster? Oops. Where are you? Watch, I only got one cluster in the box, but that's probably not the case. I just probably can't find it. The flakes are really big. So let's see, let's grab a dry piece, or a couple of dry pieces, and try those out. I will say this, I don't care for them dry. Dry, they really have a very, very, very strong apple flavor. So if you really like apples, this might be the cereal for you. Dry or with milk. Maybe not when they're so soggy, so you might not want to put a lot of milk in them. But as a cereal, I probably would eat this a lot. This is very, very good. Dry, no, not so much, but not bad. I would like to be able to get another cluster though, but I don't think I'm going to be able to find another one. Like I said, I think I could get one in my bowl of cereal, and I would say they're pretty good. Very soft, kind of creamy, and jam-packed with flavor. I hate doing that, but it does have a lot of the cinnamon and apple flavor. I think it has more cinnamon in it than apple. At least that's what I think I got. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh, and I'm going to show you the flake. Sadly, I'm probably not going to get a cluster like I said before. Trying to get a big enough size. I have one. Oh wait, there's a cluster. Come here. Come here, you bastard. Do not fall, do not fall. There you are. There you are. Okay. Fucking bastard. They are very small. So that's why I can't find them in the flakes. So the flakes are usually roughly this big. The little clusters that you get are big. So more cinnamon in them than the apple. They don't taste as strong when they're dry, but when they were in the milk, they were fine. These, super strong without the milk. So. Okay, next cereal. Frosted Mini Wheats. I knew these were going to mess with the milk, so I saved them last. I guess the other ones kind of messed with the milk too, but I don't think they did as bad of a job than this is probably going to do. Okay. Cut this out. Come on. There. So, frosted mini wheats. So that's what they look like. It looks like there's Cheeto dust on it, so try one plain. Pumpkin spice isn't too strong. It kind of tastes like a yogurty taste to it. Well, maybe not yogurt, because I would hate it at that point. Some kind of cream. Maybe cream cheese. Like a cream cheese frosting to it. Yes, I understand they're frosted, but it doesn't taste like regular frosted mini wheats. So, have them in the bowl now. Trying to stir a little bit. I'm trying not to put a lot of milk in here. So let's grab 2. I think you can definitely taste the nutmeg and the cinnamon. But I'm not getting really like a pumpkin spice feel to it. I mean, if you get ones with the frosted on it, you can taste a little bit more, but I mean, you can tell they taste different than the regular frosted mini wheats. So, let's see. Ow. Just a mini wheat stuck on my tooth. So, now the 3 cereals. Let's see. Probably surprisingly, and And I didn't expect this to happen, but this is probably my favorite out of the 3. It tastes like what it's supposed to. A little bit more apple than I was expecting, but I mean that's what they were going for, so props on them. I think the other one that they have is a pumpkin spice, and I think when I bought this, it wasn't out yet, and then I saw it later on, and then I thought I had bought it, so I'm probably gonna try to buy the pumpkin one and see how that tastes. Because if this one's done pretty well, I'm expecting the other one to be done as just as well. But you never know. I mean, you have that with other companies that do a pretty good job on one thing, and then they do another thing, and it doesn't turn out as well. Okay, so that's number 1. I'm gonna put that over there. Probably number 2. Number 2 is very hard. I'm probably gonna have to go with this one. Frosted Mini Wheats got number 2. It does have a little bit of a pumpkin spice taste. Well, you taste the nutmeg and the cinnamon, but not exactly what you expect from pumpkin spice, I guess. Very hard to describe what that's like. At least for me. But it's got pretty close. So this one's not bad. Go ahead and close this box as best as I can. The box was kind of damaged. There we go. And so number 3 is Cheerios. Which makes me sad because I was really, really, really hoping to have this be number 1. I tend to like the Cheerios different flavors. Like the banana nut, which I can't wait for again. So I was expecting this one to be pretty good, but it pretty much just tastes like Cheerios. Well, pretty much tastes like their cinnamon and apple Cheerios, but more bland. Because you can taste the cinnamon, but you can't really taste anything else. So there's my verdict for those. I'm going to finish drinking up the milk before it gets too warm, and then I'm going to drink that. The milk after the 3 of them is not bad. Okay, put that over there. So let's try our Totally Gross soda. This time I don't have to ruin my shirt. There we go. Cap, come in. Okay. We can definitely smell the two fruit flavors in there. So with this one, you can definitely taste the blue raspberry and the orange. Though the one thing that I do like about this is the blue raspberry is a little bit stronger, but the orange complements it so well. They did a great balance between the two. I mean, blue raspberry I don't think is as typically as strong as oranges, at least to me. So instead of it doesn't taste like they're even on the amounts in it. I do think the blue raspberry is a little bit more, but it works out well. I'm full of accidents today. almost tastes like a blueberry ice pop that kind of melted. Just with a hint of orange to it. So yeah, the toxic slime is pretty good, so if you ever want to try that one out. No, I also had like blue raspberry a lot, and orange, so that kind of helps me. So, I think I'm going to finish this off. And that'll probably be the end of this video. Next video I plan to do is some more drinks. I think I have like one more of these. A pickle soda, caramel drink, and I thought there was a fourth one. But I'm probably going to do all those in one video. Just to finish off this month. Yeah, and if you ever want to get into drinking water, but you have a hard time doing it because of don't like water. You guys notice that I drink a lot of the flavored water. I got the cans, and when they have a better flavor to them, you don't really seem like you're drinking flavored water. And also that I think it's a kind of like a psychosis thing, since pop usually comes in water. Wow, that was horrible. Pop usually comes in the can. If you drink a lot of cans, it kind of tricks your mind to thinking that you're drinking pop. Oh my god. But yes, pop comes into water. I guess I'm not fully awake today. Thank you for camera person for noticing what I said, because I didn't notice that at first. But yeah, I've been having an easier time keeping up with the water intake with the cans. So yeah, it does taste different. Okay. I might from now on drink these at the beginning. Since I kind of warm up a little bit this time. But still, pretty good. I can't remember. I think there's like around 8 of these different flavors. At least it's close to it. Oh, excuse me. So yeah, these are pretty good so far. Had to try a couple more of them to see if there's like an ultimate favorite. Though they are kind of pricey to get. Since they sell them all in singles. I really need to count how many they have of these. But yeah, this is good. This is the better one out of the 3. It's offering. So yeah. Hope you liked today's show. Hope you enjoyed it. I think that's it for my verdict today. And I hope I see you guys soon. Bye.
Hey, guys.
Thanks for watching me try these fall cereals. This was a really surprising batch of food. The one I thought I'd like, I didn't. And the one I thought I'd hate was the best. Funny how that happens sometimes. The toxic slime was really good though, and I'd gladly drink it again. If you haven't already, why not give this video a like and leave your thoughts down below. And if you're new, why not become one of my lovely subscribers? Only one more fall episode left. Stay tuned for it.
Bye, guys.